Ever wondered how websites switch between sections without reloading the page? That's the magic of tabs. Today, we will build them from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And trust me, it's way simpler than it looks. Let's start with the structure. We have got a container called tabs container. Inside that, I have three buttons: home, about, and contact, each with a class of tab button and a data tab attribute. We will use this attribute to match each button with the content it controls. Below that, we have got three divs with class tab content and IDs matching the button's data tab. Only the first one has the active class, so it shows up by default. For the styling, nothing fancy, just dark theme layout using flex and some padding and background colors. Each button has a default gray style, but the active one turns into a bright cyan. And here is a key trick: the content is hidden using display none, and we only show the active one by toggling the active class. Let me show you how to create simple tab functionality using JavaScript. First, I select all the tab buttons using document.querySelector all. This gets every button that will act as a tab. Then I select all the tab contents with document.querySelector all. These are the content areas that correspond to each tab. Next, I loop through each button and add a click event listener. That way, when you click a tab, something happens. Inside the event handler, I remove the active class from all buttons and tab contents. This resets the state so no tab or content is active. After that, I add the active class to the clicked button to highlight it. Then, I get the value of the data tab attribute from the clicked button. This tells me which tab content to show. Finally, I find the tab content with that ID and the active class to make it visible. So basically, when you click a tab, the code removes the active state from everything and then activates the clicked tab and its content. That's the basic logic behind tabs with JavaScript. Now, when I click on each tab, the content updates without reloading the page. It's fast, smooth, and user friendly. If this helps strengthen your basics, give it a thumbs up. Tomorrow's concept even more fun. Subscribe so you don't miss day 9 of this 20-day UI series. See you tomorrow. Bye.